Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to enter fractions in the cells of Excel. For example, here I have highlighted this cell and I want to enter a fraction of the form 6 to 1 divided by 5. And then I click enter. So I have a fraction over here. This is 6 times 1 divided by 5. And what I did, I first entered 6, then followed by a space, and then 1 divided by 5. And if I select the cell, the formula bar will show me 6.2. That is exactly equal to 6.2. Similarly, if you want to enter 1 by 3, this format, and you enter it, it will set it to be like a date, 3rd January. So in order to avoid this, you need to enter 0 space 1 divided by 3 and then click enter. Now it is 1 by 3 and we know in decimal this is 0.3333. So in order to add a fraction without a multiplicative number, you need to first put 0 followed by a space and then the fraction. So the fraction in the cell is shown in the form of fraction, whereas in the formula bar, its value in decimal is written. And thanks for watching.